Welcome to English Lighthouse. Our unique and exciting stories will help you learn English quickly and easily. Today we're going to talk about what Google, Facebook, and TikTok really know about us and what we need to do to protect ourselves. Have you ever thought that some stranger might know what food you like or when you usually feel sad? A stranger who follows you never sleeps, never stops. They know when you're trying to lose weight, when your heart is broken, when you're hunting for discounted sneakers, and that someone is not your best friend, not your partner. It's Google, Facebook, TikTok. Can you imagine just how much they actually know about you? Part 1. What do they know? Who do you think understands you best? Your parents? Your lover? Yourself? Are you sure? You may know you prefer iced black coffee to a latte. But Google knows you usually drink it. Every Tuesday at 8:35 a.m. Creepy, right? What does Google know? You think you Google something only when you need to? Wrong. You're feeding data to Google every second. What did you search for at 2 a.m.? Google remembers. Whether it was home remedies for toothache or why didn't they text me back? Where did you go yesterday? What did you eat? Thanks to GPS history, Google knows it takes you 43 minutes to get to work and that you like to stop by the bread shop every Friday morning. Pregnant? Google might know even before you take a test. Because you started searching early pregnancy signs, is lower back pain normal, what supplements for expecting moms? And Google doesn't just save this information. It analyzes, predicts, and sells those predictions to advertisers. Question for you. When was the last time you searched something private? Do you think that data is still stored? What does Facebook know? Facebook doesn't need you to say anything. You just scroll silently, and they already know what you're thinking. You check your ex's profile 3 times a week. Without liking anything, Facebook knows. They track how long you stop, how fast you scroll, and which photos you tap. Feeling happy, sad, or angry? Based on your posts, interactions, emojis, and expressions, Facebook predicts your emotional state for the week. About to break up? No joke. If you start interacting less with someone, checking other people's profiles more, or going online at different hours, the AI might start suggesting content about heartbreak and moving on. Even scarier. Facebook has been accused of showing ads for depression meds or therapy before users even realize they're struggling. Have you ever felt like Facebook read your mind? Like you talked about something and suddenly saw an ad for it? What does TikTok know? TikTok doesn't need you to type. It just watches where you pause. And for how long? You linger on a sad video for over 6 seconds? The algorithm starts feeding you more heartbreak stories, emotional songs, and lonely monologues. Watch a motivational video about getting rich or starting a business. TikTok assumes you're ambitious, searching for a new path. TikTok uses behavior analysis, your swipe speed, screen brightness, pause time, to map your emotional fingerprint in real time. Have you ever opened TikTok for just 5 minutes and ended up scrolling for 2 hours without realizing it? Part 2. How they read your emotions and habits. Have you ever felt like TikTok or YouTube understood your emotions better than your closest friends? The algorithm concludes, you're feeling lonely, and suggests a flood of healing videos, emotional insights, and adulting advice. The algorithm senses your hunger to succeed and pushes hundreds of videos on passive income, business hacks, and financial freedom. But here's the thing. Not all of it is true. Not all of it is healthy, but it's suggested because you seem like you need it. Why do they do this? Simple. To keep you hooked for as long as possible. The longer you watch, the more data they get. The more data, the better the suggestions. The better the suggestions, the harder it is for you to stop. It's a loop that traps your emotions, and you don't even realize it. AI doesn't have a heart, but it learns yours through data. It doesn't have a soul, but it triggers the exact emotions you're secretly waiting for someone to understand. Part 3. What's the real problem? We've talked about what they know, about how they can read your emotions. But now let's ask a serious question. Why do they know? And what's the real issue here? 1. You're being controlled without realizing it. Simple example, you scroll TikTok and see a video about a skincare product. 1 hour later, Facebook shows you that exact product with a discount code. In the evening, YouTube suggests a review from a beauty blogger. You don't think much, and then you buy it. Just like that, your emotions were nurtured and your behavior guided to the perfect sale. 2. They don't sell services. They sell you. You think Google, Facebook, TikTok are free? Nothing is free. If you're not the customer, you are the product. The truth about their business model. Facebook, 98% of revenue comes from ads. Google, over 80% from search ads. TikTok, massive revenue from personalized ads based on your behavior. What do they sell? Your age, gender, interests, behaviors, relationships, your mood, at specific times of day, your location. Ever wondered why, after chatting with friends about shoes or phones, you suddenly see those exact things on Facebook? Part 4. What should we do? We can't stop using Google or Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. They're part of modern life. So instead of being afraid, let's learn to stay aware and in control. 1. Limit your social media time. Use built-in screen time limits. iPhone has screen time, Android has digital well-being. 2. Use focus apps. Forest, Focus to Do, Stay Free. 3. Set fixed times to check social media. For example, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Outside those times, turn it off. 2. Regularly clear history. Check privacy settings. Clear your Google search history weekly. Go to myactivity.google.com. Check which apps are accessing your camera, mic, and location. Revoke if not needed. Check the ad settings in Google or Facebook. See how they've labeled you. Age, gender, interests, income. Have you ever checked who does Google think you are? Try it. You'll be surprised. 3. Choose what you consume. Actively seek information from diverse sources. Follow a variety of pages: news, education, inspiration, science. Unfollow content that causes negativity, addiction, or wastes your time. Every like, every few seconds you pause, trains the algorithm about you. So train it intentionally. What do you want it to suggest to you? Knowledge, inspiration, new skills? Then starting today, like and pause on the right things. And the most important thing, you control the technology, not the other way around. Let technology serve you, not lead you. Your family might not know what you watch at 1 a.m., but Google does. Your partner might not notice when you're sad, but TikTok figures it out in just 6 seconds. So will you live by your true emotions or by what technology wants you to feel? Where will you start? Limiting time, checking privacy settings, retraining your algorithm? Comment and share. You might just inspire someone else. If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more simple English like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our channel. Let's enjoy learning English together with amazing stories. See you in the next video.